Thank you for introducing yourself. Now let's explore why you are here. To fix your credit, fix an isolated issue with your credit such as removing inquiries or a random late payment, build your credit, establish credit for the first time, or to keep an eye on your credit. Whether your goal is to make a major purchase, such as a new house or a new car, or your goal only to build and improve your credit, the Credit Dispute Center can help you with nearly any situation. If you have collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, or you are a victim of identity theft, the Credit Dispute Center has a wide variety of credit services to fit your needs. Let's take a look at some of these services, some of which are free of charge. First, our Quantum Matrix Dispute Technology Pay-Per-Delete Credit Repair Program is for those with damaged credit seeking to get rid of the past and start fresh. It is all-inclusive and covers nearly all situations. This program is our most extensive and we stop at nothing to produce results for you. This program is backed by a nationwide network of attorneys that assist us to get the results you want or need. In fact, if the credit bureaus, your creditors, or debt collectors do not handle our disputes properly, or violate the law, our attorneys step in and hold them accountable. Here's the best part about this program. Unlike most credit repair companies and programs that charge monthly fees, after the initial audit and attorney document processing, you owe us nothing until we produce results for you. The only exception is we do get reimbursement for certified mailing that may be needed to get things moving, or additional attorney document processing if we have multiple cases that need attorney intervention. So essentially, instead of paying us a monthly fee to see no results, you only pay us if we get negative items removed from your credit report or improved to help your credit. Now I bet you are wondering, how do many clients get paid more than they pay us for their credit repair, as we mentioned on the previous page. This is where our attorney network comes into play. Once we have disputed your account with our Quantum Matrix dispute technology that sees every credit reporting error, inconsistency, or missing information, if the account we have disputed remains full of errors, our attorney network steps in to hold those who report your credit information accountable. If the disputed errors are not fixed, or the accounts are not deleted, our attorney network will do whatever it takes, maybe even going as far as suing or filing arbitration on your behalf. Now I know you may be thinking, how much will these attorneys cost me? That's a very good question, but don't worry. You see, federal laws regarding credit reporting and debt collection have built-in protections for you, the consumer. Attorney costs are always covered by the other party, or covered by any settlement or judgment you receive. This means that our attorneys will not take cases from us until they are confident your case will win. In some cases, our attorneys take our clients' cases before the first dispute letter is sent, others after 2 rounds of dispute. Our attorney network has seen how effective Quantum Matrix dispute technology is at identifying problems with the credit report that they are confident in our groundbreaking technology. Clients whose cases go to our attorney network often receive the results they sought, and they get paid a handsome settlement or judgment. So whether you have a bankruptcy, charge-offs, debt collectors hounding you, which we can stop, or any other situation, our Quantum Matrix dispute technology pay-per-delete credit repair program is right for you. As part of your service, you will also receive extensive credit education to help you keep your credit healthy for years to come, get your personal information updated with the credit bureaus, and our inquiry removal service. If you are a victim of identity theft, the Credit Dispute Center and its network of consumer attorneys are here for you. Our Quantum Matrix Dispute Technology Pay-Per-Delete Credit Repair Program helps with this situation as well. The Credit Dispute Center also does more than credit repair. We offer many a la carte services that can fit your needs. If you have debt collectors hounding you and your credit report is otherwise fine, our debt collection audit service is perfect for you. Don't pay the debt collectors, let them pay you. Our debt collection audit service can easily uncover violations of your rights and federal law. Debt collectors stop at nothing to harass, employ scare tactics, or threaten bogus legal action to get you to pay them. Many of these tactics are violation of federal law. The Credit Dispute Center aims to stop debt collectors from these tactics by helping you uncover these violations and get our attorneys on your case. Every violation of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act is worth up to $1,000 each. Let the Credit Dispute Center help you get those debt collectors off of your back. This service is included in our Quantum Matrix Dispute Technology Pay-Per-Delete Credit Repair Program, and also as a standalone service. Our clients get 2 years of protection from debt collectors. If your credit has been spotless and all of a sudden it slipped your mind and a late payment has hit your credit report and score hard, our Goodwill Letter service can help. This service is included in our Quantum Matrix Dispute Technology pay-per-delete credit repair program and as a one-time standalone service. In this service, we send a specialized letter to the CEO of the creditor explaining the unique circumstances of the late payment. Often, the CEO will read the letter and forgive you of the late payment. Our inquiry service is perfect for those who have a ton of inquiries left on their credit report from car shopping or house hunting. If these inquiries are not coded properly, they can count as multiple inquiries and really drive your credit score down. Also included in our credit repair program, we offer this as one of our one-time standalone services as well. If your credit report is thin, or you have no credit history at all, the Credit Dispute Center can help you establish or re-establish your credit profile, and show you how to maintain a healthy credit profile for years to come. Finally, many with good credit like to have a professional keep an eye on their credit profile. Our monthly credit monitoring service is great for those who would like a professional analysis of their credit report each month, giving pointers and showing areas of opportunity to capitalize and improve their credit. Additionally, we offer a free monthly support call and email support. With every service, we educate and give pointers to improve your credit at no additional charge. To learn more about our services and to schedule a no-obligation consultation, tell us a little more about your situation. There you can schedule your consultation appointment and be forwarded to learn more about the service that may be right for your situation. We look forward to meeting you, answer all your questions, and go to work hard for you to get you the credit profile you need or always wanted. Continue with the form below and we will see you at our consultation.